In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire a universal motor from washing machine. There are, uh, they call them universal because they can work with AC or DC power. They are different from this kind of washing machine motors, which are brushless, and they have two scales, 715 and 2800 RPMs. These motors are working about 15,000 RPMs. And as I tell you, they can work even with DC power with battery supply. I have here a battery for show you the wiring because you have to do the same because it's not dangerous the power of the battery. Here you see the taco sensor with these two red cables. We don't need these cables, and the only thing we have to do is to find the cables who are going to brushes. As you see, there is a gray cables going to one brush, and we are searching for the other color of cable. This is the light brown cable from the other brush. So these two cables going to brushes, and the other two cables, black and dark brown, going to the coil. You see here, these two cables are from brushes, the gray and the light brown. This is the black and the dark brown, which coming from the coil. For working our motor, we have to use one cable from brushes and one cable from coil. We can use any cable we like, but always we have to use one from the brush and one from the cable. As you see, the two up cables comes from brushes and the two down cables come from our motor's coil. So we are going to take one cable from our brush, for example the brown cable, and one cable from the coil, for example the pink cable. Perhaps you have different color of cables, but always you have to take one cable from the brushes and one cable from the coils. So we are connecting together one cable from the brush, the pink one, and one cable from the coil, the dark brown cable. Then we are taking the other two cables, the white and the yellow, and we are connecting those cables to our power supply. As you see, now our motor working, not very fast because we have low volts, and our motor comes counterclockwise, meaning turn left. If we want to change the turn and make our motors turn clockwise, meaning right, then we have to make different connection to our cables. For example, we have put together the brown and the pink cable, as you see, and had power and the white to the white and the yellow. Now we are connecting together the yellow and the brown, and we are going to give power to the white and the pink. As you see, now our motor comes right clockwise, and with this procedure we can make our motor works as we like. Now my friends, if we want to make RPM control, we can use chip controllers with 4 or 2 pins. If we have 4 pins like this one you see in your screen, then there is out, in. We connect in 2 in pins the cable from the power, the 2 cables from the power, and in the other 2 pins which mark without, we are connecting the cables which coming from our motors. With this way we can control our motors RPMs.